Question number 5. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter width would be required to make a conical 10 of height, 8 and base radius 6? So that's going to find the length of the tarpaulin. Okay, so when you look here, they've given us when you look at this tarpaulin, they've given us the breadth. All right, they're asking us to find the length. So now what are we doing with this tarpaulin? We're making it into a 10, right? They've given us a height, they've also given us a radius. So remember that while we are converting this tarpaulin into this conical 10 here, we'll not be using all the length, right? Why? Because there will always be stitching margin and wastages, okay, which they have already given us to be 20 centimeter. All right, so I'll explain while we're solving it. For now, let's try to find the curved surface area of this cone, okay, in order to find the length of the tarpaulin. All right, so height, radius given, but when you look at this cone here, I always need the slant height. Without the slant height, I will not be able to find the curved surface area, right? So this is the first thing we'll do. Slant height equals h square plus r square. Height has been given to us 8, and then radius is 6, but square because h square plus r square, right? 8 is a 64, 60 is a 36. When you do, you're going to get 100, and that is how we're going to get slant height to be equal to 10 meter. Now, like I said, let us find the curved surface area of the cone or the 10. The formula is pi r l. So here, instead of using pi 22 by 7, the question told us to use 3.14. Right, that is the reason here. Then 6 into 10, if you multiply all these three, you're going to get 188.4 meter square. All right, now I can write that area of the tarpaulin should be equal to curved surface area of the 10, because remember, from this tarpaulin here, which is the shape is a rectangle, I made it into a 10. Right, that means the area of the tarpaulin should be also equal to curved surface area of the 10. Right, and the tarpaulin is in the shape of a what? Rectangle. So the formula is length into breadth. And remember, they've given us a breadth but not the length, right? So I put a breadth here, and now this 3 will go down by doing cross multiplication. When you divide, you're going to get the length to be equal to 62.8. But remember that this length is after the wastages or the stitching margin. Okay, that means this is not the original length of the tarpaulin. It will be more, right? So let us find out that. Let us find that out. So how do you do this? So the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margin and wastage, how much they've given to us? 20 centimeter. If I convert it into meter, it will become 0.2 meter. So like I told you, this 62.8 is after the wastages, right? In reality, I have to even add this 0.2. So you can see here, therefore 62.8 plus 0.2 equals 63 meter. This was the original length. Okay, that is why I'm showing you this part here again. All right, from here to here was the original part, but what we got this is after the wastages and all. Okay, therefore the original length was actually 63 meter.